In this video, we will explore the assertion made by Dr. William Li that some foods can potentially act as cancer killers and can also help to burn body fat. Now, who else wouldn't mind simply eating certain foods that would get rid of cancer in their body and having body fat simply melt away? Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, stay tuned to the very end of this video as we explore these claims and analyze whether, in fact, these claims have any basis of truth. Dr. William Li is a renowned physician, scientist, and author known for his work in the field of angiogenesis, the process by which new blood vessels are formed. He holds a medical degree from Harvard Medical School and completed his residency training in internal medicine at the Massachusetts General Hospital. Dr. Li's research has focused on understanding the role of angiogenesis in various diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, and obesity. He has published numerous scientific articles in peer-reviewed journals and has presented his research at international conferences. As an author, Dr. Li has written several books, including Eat to Beat Disease, The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself, which explores the role of diet and nutrition in promoting health and preventing disease. He is also a sought-after speaker and has appeared in various media outlets to discuss his research and insights on health and wellness. In this book, Dr. Li describes how our health is dependent on various factors in our body, which include a healthy immune system, a diverse gut microbiome, our ability to repair damaged DNA, an ability to eliminate cancer stem cells, and impairing the growth of blood vessels that can feed growing cancers. Some of the specific foods that Dr. Li describes in his book that can beat disease are as follows. First up, we have berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. They are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, such as anthocyanins and ellagic acid, which may help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Dr. Li claims that berries can improve your metabolism and therefore help to melt away body fat. Dr. Li also mentions pomegranate juice as a potential anti-cancer food because pomegranate juice can help us grow healthy gut bacteria that boosts our immunity. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage are also mentioned as they contain compounds like sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol, which have been linked to lower cancer risk by promoting detoxification and inhibiting tumor growth. Next up, we have tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against prostate, lung, and stomach cancers by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing inflammation. Dr. Li mentions a study which followed 79,000 men over 20 years and found that those men who consumed cooked tomatoes 2 to 3 times per week had a 50% chance of developing prostate cancer. Next, we have garlic and onions. These members of the allium family contain organosulfur compounds like allicin, which have been shown to have anti-cancer effects by inhibiting tumor growth and promoting cell death in cancer cells. Another food Dr. Li mentions is green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins like epigallocatechin gallate or EGCG, which have been associated with a lower risk of various cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancer, by modulating signaling pathways involved in cancer development and progression. Next, we have turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may help prevent cancer by inhibiting tumor growth and metastasis and inducing apoptosis in cancer cells. Substances which may activate the immune system, according to Dr. Li, are found in broccoli sprouts, garlic, peppers, mushrooms, and licorice root. He also notes that yogurt, sauerkraut, beans, kiwi fruit, walnuts, and cocoa can help boost the growth of good gut bacteria. Whilst we have no doubt that good nutrition by way of eating natural, non-processed food is a crucial factor for good long-term health, we do not, however, fully agree with Dr. Li that just by eating these foods one can completely beat cancer and disease and melt away fat. Upon reviewing the claims that Dr. Li makes, we feel that most of these claims are overstated. The book sometimes overstates the power of specific foods to beat diseases like cancer. While diet plays a role, it's rarely a single cure. The studies that Dr. Lee uses to support his claims made in his book are based on laboratory studies that use individual cells in test tubes or animals. Our bodies are not a test tube, and we are not lab rats. Results from such studies are not really transferable directly to humans, and cannot therefore be totally relied on. Just because a substance shows an anti-cancer effect in a test tube does not mean it will have the same effect inside the human body. Also, the studies that do involve people are observational studies, which merely show associations and not causation. Again, you cannot really obtain any meaningful result with an observational study, as this relies on people simply guessing as to what they had to eat over the past year or more. And there are so many variables that cannot simply be controlled for in day-to-day life. This book is too focused on individual foods. A balanced, diverse diet is more crucial than focusing on isolated or miracle foods. The book emphasizes inhibiting angiogenesis, or blood vessel growth, to starve tumors. While this is a potential area, the impact of diet on this process remains unclear. Another criticism of this book is that it doesn't delve deeply into how much of each food is needed for a supposed benefit and for how long. The book also lacks personalization. Individual factors like genetics and gut microbiome can significantly alter how food affects health. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to health, as we are all very different. This book treats various diseases similarly. Each disease has unique risk factors, requiring specific dietary and other strategies. Complex health issues and disease have numerous causes. The book might oversimplify the role of diet in disease prevention and management of these diseases. Dr. Lee also fails to outline some of the potential harms that these foods may cause. For example, berries are a known cause of allergies in children, and cruciferous vegetables are known thyroid disruptors and have been proven to cause thyroid destruction in many people. Also, too much fiber from certain vegetables are a known cause of gut issues, including bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. In terms of potential conflicts of interest, Dr. Lee has been associated with companies and organizations involved in the food and healthcare industries. He has received funding and support from pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology firms, and food manufacturers for his research and advocacy efforts. Overall, Dr. William Lee's background as a physician and scientist, coupled with his advocacy for preventive medicine and public health, has positioned him as a prominent figure in the field of angiogenesis and health promotion. His book, Eat to Beat Disease, certainly provides a strong case that food may well be our very best medicine. In conclusion, however, we are not so convinced that things are as simple as outlined in this book, Eat to Beat Disease. To make up your own mind, we encourage you to get yourself a copy of this book and have a read. See our affiliate link to the description below if you are interested in purchasing this book on Amazon. If you want to know about 6 life-changing anti-aging exercises that can change your health in a big way, check out this video appearing now. If you enjoyed this video, please push the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative health videos.